Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make hakusai to asari no mushini. It's Napa cabbage and asari clams braised in a pot. It's such a simple dish, but asari clams add so much umami to it and it makes the whole dish irresistible. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this hakusai to asari no mushini, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some Napa cabbage. I'm using a quarter of a huge head. 400 grams of asari clams, 100 grams of cured bacon, some garlic, 100 milliliter of sake, and some salt and pepper. As always, all the cutting first. Let's start with the Napa cabbage. Cut the bottom off. Cut it into half. Put the leafy part aside. And let's cut the bottom part into thin diagonal strips. Into the pot. And the top half into 1-inch slices. All into the pot. And garlic. Skin removed already. Let's make thin slices. Into the pot. And bacon. Let's just make it into strips. Into the pot. 100 milliliter of sake and 100 milliliter of water. Put the lid on and braise it over medium heat. If the lid is not closing, it's okay, it will eventually. Braise for 20 minutes and Napa cabbage is all cooked. Some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Give it a mix. Add asari clams. Put the lid back on and keep braising until clams are all open. Cooked for another 10 minutes or so and clams are all cooked. Let's kill the heat and serve in the bowl. Some black pepper if you like. And hakusai to asari no mushini is ready to go. tasting. いただきます。Let's have some Napa cabbage too. The Napa cabbage soaked up all the flavor from Asari clams, bacon and garlic, and it's full of umami. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. I made the dish on the side so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about oyakodon here, which will also cover the main, and eggplant miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!